Alright guys, I do have a parentheses here, so I am going to have to solve by distributing first, right? So I'm going to do this distribution step first. And anytime we have a negative sign in front of a parentheses, you can know that this is an invisible -1. So I just drew the -1 there, and I'm going to distribute that -1 to both parts of my equation. And that's going to leave me with 3, and -1 minus x is just going to become 1 negative x. And I'm going to make my 1 invisible. -1 times -2, if I do that off to the side, -1 times -2. 1 times 2 is 2, and then a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's just going to be plus 2 equals 7. And now my next step is to combine like terms. I see I have a constant here and here. I made sure to square the sign that was out front. Alright, I'm going to combine those together, and that's going to become 3 plus 2 is 5 minus x equals 7. And now I'm going to subtract from both sides. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves me with negative x equals 2. I need to get rid of this negative here, and I'm going to do that by dividing by -1 on both sides, which leaves me with x equals -2.